Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Adobe Systems, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on Adobe Systems. Understand the company's products and services, such as Adobe Creative Cloud and Adobe Document Cloud. Review the company's financial health by analyzing its quarterly and annual earnings reports. Look for key performance indicators, including revenue growth and profit margins. Examine Adobe's market position and competitive landscape within the software industry. Identify trends that may impact the company's growth, such as shifts in technology and customer needs. After researching, decide how much money you want to invest in Adobe Systems. Determine your investment style, whether it's long-term, short-term, or day trading. Choose a brokerage platform that fits your investment needs and allows you to trade Adobe shares. Create an account with your selected brokerage. Complete any necessary verification processes, which may include submitting identification. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Use the brokerage's search function to find Adobe's stock ticker symbol, which is Adobe. Analyze current stock prices and historical performance charts. Place a market order if you want to buy shares at the current price. Alternatively, place a limit order to buy shares at a specific price you're willing to pay. Review your order before submission to ensure all details are correct. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about stock performance and market trends. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or important news regarding Adobe Systems. Periodically reassess your investment strategy and adjust your holdings as necessary. Evaluate the overall financial climate and how it might influence your investment in Adobe. Stay updated with quarterly earnings calls and announcements from Adobe to gauge future performance. Keep an eye on relevant news articles that could affect the company, such as new product launches or major acquisitions. Continue to educate yourself about investment strategies and market conditions to enhance your decision-making process. With diligence and regular monitoring, you'll be better positioned to manage your investment in Adobe Systems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.